Hello all, just doing a real quick video on the 2-ounce, 1-piece solid portion spoon. And what I have here is some kale that I made, and it's just really nice. I just wanted to show you a quick visual as well as let you get an idea of seeing the spoon in action. So what's nice about it is you can easily be able to grab more than 2 ounces if you want. You can get a hefty 2 ounces, which is not 2 ounces, or you can be able to level it off, and be able to grab, 2 ounces worth. Just shake it off and, portion it out. But what's nice about it is that you can easily be able to grab it if you want to get some of the juices, because a lot of people like liquid with it. You can easily be able to pour them some and give them some of that with the kale in this particular instance. But it just works out really, really nice. So you see I'm able to grab the liquid, and then I can be able to grab the kale so they can be able to get the juice and the kale. So there it is. See it in action. Thank you so much for watching.